Welcome first PU Commerce students to Exam Tips and Tricks channel. Preparation of cash book. Let's understand 1 mark questions. What is cash book? Cash book is a subsidiary book in which all cash receipts and cash payments are recorded. So in this cash book, only cash transactions are recorded. Cash purchase of goods as well as cash payment that is being made recorded in this cash book. State how the cash book is both a journal and a ledger. Cash book is a journal because all cash transactions are recorded only in the cash book, not in the journal. It is a ledger because it gives cash account and bank account balances. What are contra entries? Contra entries are the entries that is made on both debit as well as credit side of double column cash book to record a single transaction. Cash deposited into bank, cash withdrawn from the bank. These two transactions are considered as contra entries that has to be made in double column cash book. What is petty cash book? Petty cash book is a subsidiary cash book which is used to record petty or small expenses. Petty transactions made by the petty cashier is recorded in this petty cash book. So these petty payments like printing, stationery, postage, telephone charges, conveyance, all these petty transactions are recorded in this petty cash book. What do you understand by impressed amount in the petty cash book? Impressed amount is a certain amount that is collected by the petty cashier from the chief cashier to make petty payments. Impressed amount, that is a definite sum, say 2000 rupees, that is given by chief cashier to the petty cashier, that is given in the beginning of a certain period. Petty cashier makes payment out of this impressed amount and this amount will be reimbursed by the chief cashier to the petty cashier. State any two advantages of a petty cash book. Two advantages are: it saves time and effort of chief cashier. It helps to have effective control over cash disbursement. Fill in the blanks. Let's see fill in the blanks. Cash book is a dash journal. Cash book is a subsidiary journal. Second question. The amount paid to the petty cashier in the beginning of a period is known as impressed amount. So petty cashier collects impressed amount from the main cashier, chief cashier. In double column cash book, dash transactions are also recorded. In double column cash book, bank transactions are also recorded. Total of debit side of cash book is dash than credit side. Total of debit side of cash book is more than credit side. Petty cash book is also known as dash book. Petty cash book is also known as a subsidiary book. Multiple choice questions carries 1 mark. Double column cash book records options: all transactions, cash and bank transactions, only cash transactions, only credit transactions. So the answer is cash and bank transactions. Second question. The term impress system is used in relation to purchases book, sales book, cash book, petty cash book. So the answer is petty cash book. Impressed system is related to petty cash book. Third question. The balance on the debit side of the bank column in the cash book indicates the total amount withdrawn from bank, the total amount deposited in the bank, cash at bank, none of these. So the answer is cash at bank. Goods purchased from cash are recorded in the purchases book, sales book, cash book, Purchase returns book. So the answer is cash book. Goods purchased on cash is always recorded in the cash book. Fifth question, cash sales are recorded in sales book, cash book, journal, none of these. So the answer is cash book. So cash sales, cash purchases are always recorded in the cash book. Thank you.